Welcome to Alternative Therapy Clinic. Today's topic is heart attack. Heart attack is preventable even if you have a family history. It is said that it takes 20 years of hard work against nature to have one heart attack. And World Health Organization says, WHO, that 80% heart and chronic problems can be prevented just by eliminating the risk factors and changing the lifestyle. What are the risk factors for heart problems? The risk factors for the heart problem includes unhealthy diets, physical inactivity, tobacco use, stress, sedentary lifestyle, and some genetic factors. Chronic diseases are occurring to young people also, as 80% of premature heart diseases, strokes, cancer, and diabetes can be prevented by eliminating these risk factors. Simple tips to prevent heart and other chronic problems. Do not drink and smoke. Go for a vegetarian diet. Believe to live longer and you will live longer. Have faith. Be religious. Be spiritual. Religion, it is scientifically proved that religion affects life as it reduces stress, which is the biggest risk factor. People who have low levels of stress hormones like cortisol and are better equipped to take on the life shocks. Try not to take life too seriously. Take life easy. Believe in community living. Isolation is a risk factor. Laughing reduces chances of heart attack. So what you have to understand is the risk factors behind the heart problems. Remove your sedentary lifestyle. Remove your negative thought process. Control your emotions, especially the negative emotions, and you are definitely going to be saved from heart issues even if you have a family history. For any query, please log into dentech.in or alternativetherapyclinic.net. This was Dr. Kaushik. Thank you.